We spend nearly one-third of our lives asleep. And in today's world of stress and screens, good sleep is essential. So here, SleepVision has delivered not just the comfort, but the quality to life with better posture, spinal alignment, recovery, mental peace, and well-being, leading to energetic mornings. With over 25 years of expertise and millions of satisfied customers, SleepVision has become the most trusted luxury mattress brand, proudly manufacturing and supplying from Surat to every corner of the state. Every mattress is designed and crafted in-house with precision and advanced technology, shaped with insights from physiotherapists and sleep specialists to ensure deep support, soothing comfort, and truly restorative sleep. We ensure premium quality, transparent service, personalized sleep solutions, and 48-hour delivery. SleepVision is not just a brand, it is a promise of fresh, healthy mornings with lasting durability. SleepVision Mattresses, where comfort meets healthy life.